Hi. It's Saturday, so I get food and I hand it out, but I'm doing it now.
You want to go inside?
Tell them your Instagram.
The office pop-up. We don't have an Instagram for the spot yet.
I create little characters and shows with you guys.
Uh-huh.
And then we present them and stuff as well.
Oh, you're doing what I'm doing. Okay, good
So
for you.
I'll show
Papa. Yogo, yogos. Beautiful. Baby love, I need you, my love. And that would be art created by the sun.
I've been at this one for probably like over an hour. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I've never kept one. This might be the first one I keep.
Oh, attachments. We have food, we have food. Yeah. Because you look beautiful, baby. Looks beautiful.
Oh, okay.
And some drinks in the bottom. Hey, say hi. Manny family. Manny. The setup looks great today, man. Ha ha!
Looks like a lot of fucking work.
Hippity dippity 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 bye. Food, who wants food? Hello, lovely. Anybody want food?
It's gonna be y'all again. It's gonna be
Y'all work all the time.
It for sure won't be.
Ba.
You don't have like set like
Soap at home, honey. Hey. Or I'll put it here. King, how you do?
Yeah, I seen a video she made of you.
this is what he thought he should do.